you might have seen in our last vehicles, we've been running Magnaflow on almost all of them. This truck to be no different, so today we're going to install this onto that. So the first thing you want to do, open up the box, make sure you have all your contents in here. So we want to just reach in here and grab some pipe. For those who don't know, the previous generation of 3.6 liter V6 and the new generation is a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. So it sounds quite a bit different. We're hoping the Magnaflow is going to make quite a bit of difference for this thing to make it sound less like a vacuum cleaner and more like a real truck. Listen to how it was before, and then we'll do another one after the system's installed. One of the things that we like so much about the Magnaflow systems is how easy they are to install. Every single piece is cut perfectly, the lengths are perfect, they all fit into each other perfectly, all the hangers line up, everything just lines up perfect, so it makes for a really easy job you can do at home. The cab, not a whole lot of sound change actually, it's still pretty quiet. One of the things you'll notice too is the AT4Xs, and I believe the AT4s also have the acoustic glass, so it keeps a lot of the sound out anyways, so even if it were a lot louder we wouldn't really be able to tell from inside the cab. But getting on it a little bit here, nothing obnoxious, no droning, nothing annoying. As usual with the no drone technology, you don't get a lot of that sound vibration into the cab, and you just get a good sounding muffler without annoying the crap out of you.